What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we worked on the truck, but in today's video I have a knocking, rattling, ticking sound coming from the engine. So we're gonna start it up and show you guys what I'm talking about. For some reason the sound isn't as loud, and sometimes it does that. Like some days it'll be worse, some days it will kind of be like this, but sometimes it gets really bad. But in the video it's not that bad right now. But let me show you guys a little trick. This is a trick to pinpoint where your noise is coming from. All you guys are gonna need is a water bottle, a big water bottle, screwdriver, and a knife. Pretty much cut out the back. You guys heard that? We're getting a whirring noise from this pulley right here. And as you can see, the belt is like kind of shaky. We're getting like a bearing noise from this thing. So let me go ahead and turn off the truck. It appears the noise is coming from this guy, which is the Idler Pulley. Hear that? Sometimes that's the sound that it would make, but I think it's shy right now because it's on camera. Yeah, sometimes that's the noise out here. The other pulleys don't do that. Ooh. Well, today's our lucky day because I have a pulley right here. I was supposed to change this a while ago, like 6 months ago. This was one of the parts in the part stash that I have sitting for this truck, but just never got around to doing it. And I guess things just gotten a little worse, so we'll be taking care of that today. It's recommended to change the belts as well, which I kind of do also have. But changing the belts is gonna be a little bit more technical, just because you have to remove the fan and loosen up all of the other pulleys. But to be honest, guys, I'm tired because today is a work day. But I'm gonna have to change those belts or remove those belts anyways, because I'm planning to actually change my timing belt in a month or two, so I'll just leave it for now. But this guy's not too bad to change out, so we might as well just give that a go. This is pretty much this pulley right here, which is our suspect. And you know what, I'm gonna try to start on one more time for you guys, just so hopefully you guys can hear the actual sound that's making. So if you guys are experiencing this sound, you guys will know that this is the Idler Pulley. First step is to loosen this guy right here, 14 millimeter. Once this is loose, you loosen this guy, another 14. tools you guys gonna need: 3/8 ratchet, 14mm deep, 14mm shallow, and maybe one 3/8 extension. Optional Maxi Flex gloves. Home Depot. Never mind, you can just use shallow with the extension, because deep too long. Thing was loose to begin with. No wonder the thing's still cracking around. Then you pretty much take off this whole thing. Just don't forget, you see these guys right here, this cover thingy, bearing cover, and your nut. You can put that on the side. I can do this with one hand. I'm a cameraman, that's why. Oh, too close. Stand by. Okay. This is the bolt that we loosened. Tension was down here, but since we loosened it, brings the pulley, the whole pulley up to give us room to slide off this belt. Then you can pretty much just slide off this whole pulley over there. Yeah. You can tell. You cannot tell on camera, but I can tell. This thing is broken already. And this is the new pulley. Make sure all the thing match. It's good enough for me. Yeah, this guy's solid. I've heard or read people about who changed just the bearing, but I just got this from AutoZone because they had them. So yeah, I just control this whole thing on. I don't know, this is probably still the OEM pulley back in 2001 or whatever. So that this guy's pretty much 21 years old. But yeah, in the same way that you took it out, put the new one. Pretty much just reverse the order that you took it out. So that bottom bolt pretty much is what gives the tension. I don't think you want it too tight. At the same time, you don't want it too loose. I think this is an alright tension right here. Yeah, the last one was like super loose. Copy the other ones. You know what I mean? Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. And then don't forget to tighten this guy to lock it down. I think that's torque. Yeah, that look good to me. That look good to me. Okay. So let's try turn it on and see if we get anything. Nice, sounding good so far. Yep, this thing is definitely running quieter now. Nice. Now this thing is less embarrassing to drive in parking lots. Cherry dog. I'm tired already. I still gotta do the timing belt for this truck, but I've just been busy with work. If you guys can refer me to any good mechanic or whatever, let me know, cause I'm tired working on cars already. Nah, just kidding. No, but for real, if you guys know anybody that can do them, maybe. Other than that, this is like kind of the cleanest my truck has been this year, or like the past months, or yeah, pretty much this year, because we just had one first birthday party, so I had to wash the truck. But other than that, timing belt is on the list. Check these out. Hopefully new tires by the end of the year. And definitely a new drive shaft. Because you guys already know why. If you guys never watched that video, watch the video. Drive shaft 101. Other than that, yeah, I still like paint the truck. Choke rust. Nah. Nah, but yeah, that's something I gotta get to too, though. I still get all kinds of stuff to do. It's hard, because this is my only transportation, so it's hard for me to do some work that requires downing the truck, because this is my only transportation. But yeah, thanks guys for sticking around and bearing with me, us, and our busy schedules. You guys still going to see some Super 73 content, so you guys better watch them. Brother Jason just got another bike, and yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, let us know. We already know you guys like see Dane burn out, And yeah. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit up the website for some merch. I'm trying to make room for some new shirts, so the shirts on there should be on sale by the time this video is up, so don't forget to check it out. The link should be in the description down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your support. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Peace.